Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can manage your business through money.com. So there is a template in money.com that is very useful that you can use to manage your business. All you have to do is under main workspace, you have to press this blue button which is used to add item to workspace. Then you have to click this button, choose from templates. Then you have to search for business. And here you get these four templates, but which you have to use is this one, business plan. You have to select use template and it will set up this template for you. So guys, once the template is set up, you can see that it has automatically set up this template for you so you can manage your business. All you have to do is to add your data in this template. So you have a lot of options like section 1 executive summary, section 2 company description, section 3 product offer, section 4 target markets analysis, and you can add other section according to your needs. But it has given you a lot of options so you can manage all aspects of your business in one place. Like in executive summary, you can add the relevant details of your company, and in target market analysis you can add the market that you're targeting and you can do analysis and whatever you like to do, and you can add target customers, needs, budgets, and basically you can manage all of your business using this one template in money.com. So this is very helpful template if you're looking for one place to manage all of your business. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.